Yes. अस्तु. प्रार्थना श्लोकान् वदतु कृपया.
Just started? Okay. Prarthana. ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो थैंक यू सॉरी
धन्यवादः. So I'll quickly go over the last time I had mentioned that I'll go over the swaras and vyanjanas. Possibly it's, I don't know if you would still want me to do it. I had told I'll tell the
I
logic.
am okay with swara and vyanjana because it's part of my mother tongue also. So the
Okay.
Devanagari
No,
Lipi
no.
is part of my mother tongue.
Okay, so the logic behind why it is called a swara and why is it called, asprishta, they are untouched, etc. Should I go over that or we
Yes,
directly?
please. I think I would like that as to why.
Okay, let me just do a screen share quickly. Just a minute. Can you see now?
Yes, I can see.
The full screen, is it showing or is it only?
It is showing the full screen, but yeah, it's a little smaller for me, so I'm just increasing the
Oh,
font at my
okay.
end. That's okay.
I'll increase it just a minute.
No, I have increased it at my end. That's fine. I can see.
Is it better now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay. So, the Sanskrit Varnamala, will quickly I'll tell. So we have, as we all know, it is made up of two main components, Swara and Vyanjana. Now, if you ask why is, in English, if you ask why does B come after A, there's no logic. It just comes. And the vowels and the consonants, all of them are mixed up. Whereas Sanskrit, the very arrangement of the Varnamala has a logic behind it. So first, if you swaras. So swara means swayam rajate. Swayam rajate means they are independent sounds. Now, what do you mean by independent? Independent means, see, when the sound is produced from our, throat and the sound producing organ, right from the vocal cord to the lips, what
Yes.
happens is some part of the this entire organ is touched when you tell a vyanjana. Whereas swaras, when you tell a swara, I'll just demonstrate to you. The tongue doesn't touch any part of the mouth. Say, for example, when you say when you
Ah,
say continuously, there's no obstruction of air. Okay.
correct.
Similarly, when you do e, that is why there's no obstruction and it does not touch any part of the mouth. Air
Oh,
just,
beautiful.
so those are what is called swaras. They stand independently, they don't touch anything. Okay. And that is why you can do what is called as intoning. Intoning means, you can
Ah,
do it only with swara because air is not obstructed. And that's why in, Hindustani music or whatever you have before the concert, they do that alapna.
yeah.
Yeah, only with swara you can do because you can intone the swara. So that is the
Okay,
reason.
but what about ru and r? How does that go? The
Yeah,
r sound?
actually, the thing is that um, if you see the Varnamala, e, u are supposed to be. I don't want to get into too much of detail. E,
Okay,
u
no
are the
worries.
pure swaras. R and L has a small component of a Vyanjana in it. Has a very small
Okay.
component. At this stage, it's never told, but I'm just telling you because you asked, okay? But it is still
Hmm.
counted as a swara because of various reasons. Even I am not aware of it. So R
Okay.
and L are counted as swaras because of some of the qualities it has. But
It
they
has.
do
Okay.
have a small component of the
Yeah, because the r is almost towards the hard palate, right? It is towards the
yeah,
back, and the consonant r is more towards the teeth, but the
yeah.
r sound
It
is
is
more towards the palate, hard murdha, right? So yeah.
yes, it is supposed to be a mix, but then I think the swara component dominates. So that
Okay.
the the details of that are found in all
No,
this,
no
the
worries.
Shiksha Shastra. Yeah. So basically, that is what is a swara. There is no touch. That is why it's called asprishta. Okay, so you have the e, u, r, l. There you can see, the purple ones are e, u, r, l in the chart. Those are the
Huh.
hraswas. So within swaras, they have divided it, the hraswa and the dhirga. Now, I'll not get too much into the details of what is hraswa. I mean, hraswa, is one matra kala. One matra is,
Yeah,
that is one matra. And Dhirga is two matra kalas.
two
So
matra.
these are the, yeah. And Vyanjanas, if you see, there is always an element of touch. And also, you cannot pronounce a pure Vyanjana. It has to, if you pronounce a Vyanjana, it means there is a swara along with it, right? So when you say
Yes,
k, when you say k, you cannot tell it without telling the a component. So that is
correct,
why Vyanjanas are called sprishta. And also you try telling ka, it'll always, you'll feel the touch. Okay. So
correct.
similarly, if you see the ka ka ga ganya cha cha jajana, it comes right from the throat, right?
Throat, yes.
Yeah. The order of the Vyanjanas is the order in which the sound comes out of the human system. That is the way it has been arranged. Okay. So ka is here, and then you have the cha varga, which is, the
Mm,
back of the hard palate, and then the ta varga, which is the top of the hard palate. The tongue touches those
correct.
parts. Then you have the teeth, and then you have the lips. Okay.
Ji.
So that is the order in which they have kept. Then you have below them something called Antastaha. Namaste, Rajeshwari Mahodaya.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. I'm just telling quickly about the swaras and vyanjanas, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry
Very,
for joining.
yeah. No, that's okay. Thank you. So I was just telling about, the antastas. You have yara, lava. I'll just quickly do a recap for Rajeshwari.
Sure,
Swara
sure, go ahead.
something, swara is something which you can tell independently, okay? Because like when you say for example, there is no obstruction of air, okay, Rajeshwari ji.
Okay, ma'am.
Rajeshwari Mahode. So when we use English, this G comes, I should be. Yeah. Mahode. So what happens is when you tell a swara, you can continuously tell it. You can go on. Similarly, the mouth or tongue does not touch anything. Okay, that is a
Okay.
swara. That is called swayam rajate. It can exist independently without touching anything. No obstruction of air. Okay, that is a swara. Vyanjana is something the tongue will touch some part of the mouth. That is how vyanjanas are produced. Okay, so
Okay.
you have kavarga produced from here. Then in order it comes right from here to here. Kavarga, chavarga, tavarga, tavarga, and
Yes.
pavarga. Okay, that is the
Okay.
order. And the order in which the sound comes out of the human system, that is the way our Varnamala is arranged. It is not random. First
Okay.
then cha, then tha, then tha, and then pa. It's a nice sequence.
Yes.
Now, if you see yara lava shasha sa, if you see yara lava, they are called antastas because when you tell ya, it is in between touch and non-touch. What is non-touch? Swaras are non-touch. Asprishta. We said you don't touch anything, so they are called asprishta. Vyanjanas are touch because when you tell kha, your throat, you can feel you're touching something. You tell and see kha, you can try kha or cha or something, you'll feel the touch somewhere. So
Yes, ma'am.
yara lava is in between this fully touch and in between this fully non-touch. Fully touch ones are sprishta. Sprishta means vyanjana. They touch something in your mouth. So vyanjanas are called sprishta. Yara lava comes in between. Little bit of touch will be there. Okay. So that is
Okay.
yara lava. And then when you see sha, sha, sa, they are called ushmana. Ushmana means when you tell them, little bit of heat is produced. Say, for example, when you say shh, even in English, when you say, shiver, shudder, you see, that's where the sound has gone. Shh, karke you do. So, sh, sh, sa are all these supposed to produce, some bit of heat. So that is why they're called Ushmanaha. Okay? I mean, any questions still on this? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Dhruva, Mahodaya, is it okay?
No, I'm good, Mahodaya. I'm good.
So now, if you see, if you ask what is the point of making a logic for, arranging the Varnamala, so why, what is the importance of this logic? So if you see that, the reason is because one is that when you talk, the ease of pronunciation in Sanskrit is much more. For example, if you use the word, two words when you're saying, you see, we should remember Sanskrit was an oral tradition, so it should be smooth flowing. In English, I'll give you a small example. You write DOGS, you will say dogs. You will not pronounce S as S, you will say Z. Whereas cats, you will say sir. Why? Because of all this problem. It is not arranged correctly. Whereas in Sanskrit, you'll never have that problem. So, for example, in Sanskrit, so one is the ease of, talking, the logic for this. Another thing is that Panini has arranged it, use this. You will see later when you study Maheshwara Sutras, Panini has used this Varnamala in a slightly different way. He uses the vertical classification, and he has formed a lot of rules, Sandhi rules and all that based on this, this classification. So, for example, just one small example I'll give you. When you use the word, two words are joined, Prati and Ekam, okay? There are two words, Prati and Ekam. I can't type it here. So when they two join, quickly when you tell Prati Ekam, Prati Ekam, Prati Ekam, Prati Ekam, that E and A, Prati end may you have Ikara and Ekam. Should I type and show you? Will it be easier?
Yeah, it would be nice.
Prati. Oh, it's not coming, madam. Oh no, I'm having some issue with the typing. Anyway, so I'll try and show you later. When you do two words, Prati and Ekam, the E is replaced by Yakara. Why? Because they both come from the same place of pronunciation. So Prati and Ekam, let me see 1 minute. Stop.
So E and A come together. E and A, when they come together, it is replaced by Y. So it becomes Pratyakam. Pratyekam.
Pratyekam it will become.
Pratyekam.
Prati plus I'll now show you 1 minute. Just give me a second. Yes, screen share. Can you see Prati and Ekam? This one?
No, we can see
1 minute.
Ratnaha Shakti. Now I can see Pratyekam. Yeah.
I'll put it here. Okay. Can you see Prati Ekam now?
Yes. Yes.
So if you see in this Prati, the last letter of Prati will be Ikara.
Correct.
Oh, when I'm screen sharing, it is not I'm not able to type. I don't know why.
So Hraswa Ikara.
Yeah. So when this Hraswa Ikara and Ekara join, he has given the rule that E will become A. So this word will become Pratyekam. I'm not able to type when I'm screen sharing. I have to figure this out. Okay, so this becomes, I'll do stop share and do it 1 minute. So you see, the reason is because he has put it in such a way that it comes from the same place of the mouth, so that when you talk, there will be ease of pronunciation. It is not just some, from somewhere it comes. I'll show you now. See, when you do pratyekam, can you see pratyekam? This E and A will become ya, ye. So when you tell,
Correct.
you can feel it. Pratyekam, 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 pratyekam. It will become ye only. So that's because they both come from the same place, the talu. Okay.
Correct.
So you see, so scientific it is. Even the rules, the detailed rules of grammar, all of them follow this. He'll give replacements from the same place of pronoun. So that is one of the main reasons why Panini uses. This makes this really makes sense when you rules of grammar. Okay, so that was about the Sthanani. Now we'll go to the exercises. So, Samyuktaksharas, I'm quickly coming over because we have only 20 minutes. Samyuktakshara, you're aware, right? Samyuktakshara ityukte Vyanjana plus Vyanjana. It can be more than two, okay? Muktaha, you can have all these words I'll show you now. So, Samyuktakshara is always Vyanjana, 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 any number of Vyanjanas plus Swara. Okay, that is a Samyuktakshara. Now, quickly, if you would like to do an exercise on this, you can tell me. For example, Ratna letters, for example, if I ask you what is the breakup of Ratna, it means Ra, you say Repha, then Akara. Oh, I have made a mistake here. There should be Akara, then Nakaraha, Akaraha. Is this okay? Like,
Yeah, we can see it.
Is this okay?
Yes, we can see.
Correct this?
Yes, you have to
Correct
correct
this
it
again.
because
I'm
the
not able. 1 minute.
Rafara adhika a adhikat adhika na n adhika a. So Ratna.
Plus plus no. Adhika t adhika na adhika aha. Okay, I'll just do this share. दृश्यते वा?
आम.
दृश्यते वा?
आम महोदय. आम महोदय.
राजेश्वरी महोदय, दृश्यते किल? Can you see? I can't hear you.
You're on mute,
Bhavati,
Rajeshwari.
mute madhya.
Yeah, it's visible, ma'am.
It is visible. So Ratnaha, if we say what is the aksharas in Ratnaha, we do Repha plus Akara, Takaraha, Nakaraha, Aha. Okay. Dhruva Mahodaya, can you tell me what are the...
So the n will not be completed with an akara and then the visarga? Aha. Or will it?
No, visarga can never... Yeah, na plus naka, this is nakara plus aha, naha it will become. Visarga does not stand independently. Visarga
independently.
And yeah, visarga and that anuswara, they will go only with the swara. It will not.
Oh, yes. Okay. All right. So you want me to try?
So
Sha.
Yes, please.
Sha adhika a.
Astu, continue.
Adhika k. Adhika.
You can say akara. You can say sorry.
Akara. Akara. So sha adhika akara. akara, adhika ka, plus ta, adhika e, short e,
Ihi, with the visarga.
ihi,
Shaktihi.
ihi. Okay, ihi. Oh, that's how you just take it with the visarga only. Ihi. Okay. So shaktihi.
Sure. Sure. Mahoday.
Mahoday, now we can see her. But your screen
You can
is
see the
yes, now
title,
we
right?
can see. Now we can see. Yes, now we can see.
It plus
Plus ihi.
Astu va?
Am.
Shaktihi.
Hmm.
Huh? Okay.
Right.
Rajeshwari Mahoday, would you like to try?
No, I'll watch it because for me it is difficult to read. I'm I'm not at practice. That's why.
அது ஸ்கிரிப்ட் வந்து நீங்க தமிழ்
What ma? கேட்க மாட்டேங்குது. The voice is breaking, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking, Mahoday.
Tamil, you know Tamil, right?
Tamil தெரியும்.
Is it? I'll switch my video because I'm sorry, I'm switching my video because as I told you, I'm using mobile data. Is it better now?
Yes, it's better now.
It's better now.
Okay. Switch off. Namaste,
Namaste. Sorry, I was late. I like work is going on. That's why everything was a little.
No problem.
Yeah.
You can just catch up. I'll upload the video. The first 30 minutes, we just went over the Sthanani and all that.
Okay.
We are doing Samyukta Aksharani now. Okay.
Okay.
So, Rajeshwari Mahoday, you, Ninga, Choninga, you cannot, you're not comfortable with the script, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Both of them will do. Would you like to just see and then try? Either one. Yeah. So Rajeshwari Mahoday, how it happens is in Sanskrit, what you tell, the way you pronounce ruk, mi, ni, abdina, you will first say repaha, ru ilya. So repaha, ukaraha will become ru, then ik, then e, it will come like that. The way you tell, exactly the same way you will write the letters. Okay? Not like English. Okay. Sucheta ji, would you like to try the next one, Samyukta Aksharas?
Sure, I'll try. Yes.
Okay. Rukmini.
You have to break it up, Mahoday.
Are you sharing?
Sucheta Mahoday?
Oh, yeah. I can. Yeah. R.
So how you tell is for ra, you will say repaha. Okay?
Okay. Can you say that again?
Repaha.
Repaha. Okay. Yeah. So repaha.
Okay.
Huh. U.
And then
the small u. Then kapha. Is that what you say for ka?
Kakaraha. For everything except repa, you will say akara, kakara, makara, chakara. For everything else, you will say the kara you will add. Okay? Kakara.
All right. But even if it is a half letter, it is a kakara, right?
Yes. For half letter, particularly, it is that. Okay.
Okay. All right. So, raparaha, the small u.
Ukaraha.
उकारः
Hmm.
उकारः ककारः
Astu.
मकारः no, this is full so how will I say makarah and then ikarah.
Exactly. It is me, no? Ruk, me. So,
Yeah,
me.
makarah ikarah
Rasva ikaram.
णकारः
Rasva ikaram, na?
हाँ correct
Swa.
rasvai. Yeah,
Hmm.
rasvai.
Then?
ण and dirgha ikarah. णकारः
Hmm.
दीर्घ इकारः.
Ikarah.
Samyak va? You want
Yeah.
to say?
Am
Yeah.
Mahoday.
Am.
Okay.
Am.
Rajeshwari Mahodaya, did you see like how it is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can try at home. It's very easy. You just have to break it. The way you tell, you just do that. Okay. So we'll do two more, then we'll go on to Ekavachana, Bahuvachana. Okay.
Okay.
Dhruva Mahodaya, Tikshnam.
Am. Takarah.
Mm.
Adhika ikarah.
1 minute. I'll just start typing. Takara, Adhikam. Mm.
So we have
Adhika
to speak
dirgha I.
letter by letter. We have to read it. That's all, no, ma'am.
That is very important. You'll know, then only you will not make mistakes. And it's very important when doing sandhis. You need to know this. Later, when you learn sandhis, it's very important. Okay. Mm.
Adhika kakarah.
Astu.
Adhika murdhanya sha.
Astu. Very good.
Shakarah, whatever shakarah.
Mm.
Adhika nakarah.
Very good.
Adhika akarah.
Mm.
Adhika makara.
Astu. Uttamam. Bahuttamam.
Thank you.
Astu. Sucheta Bagini, I think Vignaha will be easy. You want to try Jnanam?
Okay, yes. Jakarah.
I couldn't type it correctly, okay? I'm finding it
Yes.
to get that Jna, okay? Yeah, you tell me.
Yeah. Jakarah.
Mm.
Yakarah.
No.
Adhika right?
Jnanam.
Jnanam.
Jnanam, sorry. I told you, I couldn't type it. It's Jnanam.
Okay, so what our teacher said that the pronunciation is Jnana. Jnana, right?
Yeah, fine. You can say, you can say Jnanam, but Jnanam.
I'm not comfortable with J because I'm from Maharashtra. We say Gnya.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
yeah.
Jnanam.
So what do you want me to say? I can break it up for all three of them actually.
You can say whatever, Jnanam. In Bengal, they will say, Gyanam. They'll only say Gyanam. Though they'll
Right.
write this Nya, this, I'll
Yes.
show you here. I think this is
Yeah.
not this. Oh, I'm not getting that letter.
The Anunasik.
Yeah, I think- Yeah.
This one.
That one.
No, not this. Sorry.
No, that is
Jnanam.
Nya.
That J and that Jnanam, what you get. I'm sorry, I'm not able to get it here.
Okay. I'll put here then. Jnanam. Jnanam. Shall I say Jnanam? So Jya is
Jnanam is not Jnanam.
Correct.
I don't know. Possibly you
Okay.
can. Yeah.
Okay. So can I add gakarah?
J plus it will be ch nya. That one you have to tell.
Okay. All right. So J plus Nya, Anunasik Nya. Yeah.
This one, but with the halant. I have to get the halant there. Anyway, I'm not able to get that, you take it as the halant one, okay?
Okay, okay. So ja plus anunasik nya and then
Plus
akarah, akarah,
Akarah, correct.
akarah, nakarah, adhika akarah, nakarah, adhika akarah,
Akarah.
and makarah.
Astu. Uttamam. I'll correct this, okay? This will be, the halant will be here. Jnanam.
Yes. Yeah.
Astu.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Dhruva Mahodaya, what would you like to try? Brahman?
Mahoday.
Adi Akara, something she's telling. Now, what is that?
Huh?
அது அதி அக்காரக ஏதோ சொல்றா இல்லையா அது என்னது மேம் அது
Adhikaha. Instead of telling plus,
adhika.
they are saying adhikaha.
Adhika.
Instead
Adhika
of
means
saying
plus.
plus, instead of saying jakaram plus nyakaram, they are saying jakaraha adhikaha. Adhikaha means plus sign.
ஓகே ஓகே
They are saying adhikaha. Okay, Brahman, would you like to try?
Sure, I'll try.
Okay.
No. Bakarah, adhika repha, adhika
No, bakaraha.
adhika repha, adhika adhika hakara. Oh, now this gets tricky.
No, you are correct. Astu, uttamam.
Okay. Adhika makara, adhika adhika na.
Bahu
Nakara.
na
Akara adhika na.
Bahu uttamam. So the thing is, for Brahman also, if you see, what I have heard is, I don't know if you all are aware of this Vyoma brothers. They are very, and Soumya Krishnapur. They are
Yes.
all. So what they have in one of their classes, they have mentioned Brahman. When Hakara is followed by either ma or na, you pronounce the ma and na first. So Brahman. Though you write ha first, Brahman is what is written, but you pronounce the
Correct.
makara first, okay? But they also said that in the north of India it is pronounced as Brahman, and in the south it is pronounced as Brahman, okay? So it is okay. It does not matter as long as you know the spelling, okay? Similarly,
Right.
Chihnam or Chinham, okay? They have quoted, in fact, the Vedic Pratishakyas, which are part of the Shiksha Sastra, okay? So in that they have mentioned that. But they have also said it's okay because North India, it's usually they say Brahman, and South of India, Brahman is used. Okay. Similarly, when you say Vahnihi, in South
Vahni.
you say Vanhi, because her followed Nakara. Okay. Whereas in the North they'll say Vahni.
Ahala.
So it is both the same. Vahni means fire. Okay. Vanhi. In South they will say Vanhi. Similarly, Chinham, what I have given this word here. Okay, Chinham, Chihnam or Chinham, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. While reading the sloha, it is ba if ni. Is we have to pronounce like that, or ba in ni? How to pronounce?
That is what I'm saying. So what I have been taught or I have learnt is that in the South India they pronounce it as Chinham, Vanhi, Brahman, abdina they pronounce, okay? Whereas North India Brahman abdin solluvaanga. So you pronounce whichever way it's comfortable ungalku. Vanhi, Vahni nada, in the north they will say, in south they'll say Vanhi. Similarly, Chinham. Purinjada?
புரிஞ்சுது
Brahman. North la or pronunciation, south la one. But they said it is normally when her is followed by ma or na, ma should come first. Brahman is what they said, but it's up to you. They also said that it's fine. Okay, so we'll move on. I'll go to the next one. So ekavachanam, bahuvachanam we'll do for akaranta pullinga shabdas. Okay, so I just saw that video where I think both Balaji and Deepak Mahodaya had done this Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. So I thought we'll just do some exercise on this. Okay. Is that okay? I mean, both of you?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So first, Dhruva Mahodaya. Rajeshwari Mahodaya, do you want to try this?
Yeah.
Do you want to do this or you just want to see? You want to try? Why don't you try?
I'll try for some time. I will watch for some time and then I will read it, ma'am.
Okay, you tell me when you are ready. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Dhruva Mahodaya Balakaha. So you tell me like this. You say Akaranta Pullingaha Balaka Shabdaha. Ekavachanam is Balakaha. Then you tell me the Bahuvachanam. That way you'll know exactly, you'll not make a mistake later. Okay.
So it is Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha Balakaha. That's how I'm supposed to say it?
Yes. And then you tell the Bahuvachanam.
Huh. And the same way I should recite the
No. Just tell the word. That's all. Just tell the word.
Balakaha. Balakaha.
Uttamam. Okay. Sucheta Bagini.
एकवचनं पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः छात्रः.
No, you have to say Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Chatra Shabdaha, like that.
Okay.
If you learn it now, then later you will not. In lot of places, this paddhati is used. Okay, so
Correct,
better
correct.
to get it
I
correct
agree.
now.
Okay, so akaranta pullinga chhatra shabdah bahuvachanam chhatraha.
Uttamam. Okay, Dhruva Mahodaya.
Okay. Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha Purushaha. Ekvachan, no. Okay. Bahuvachan is Purushaha.
Astu. So one more small correction. Akarantaha, there is a visarga. Pullingaha visarga. Okay.
Okay.
And then
Okay. So
Purusha Shabdaha. You should not say Purushaha Shabdaha. You should say Purusha Shabdaha.
right.
Goes like that. I can write it.
So Akarantaha Pullinga Shabdaha Purusha, and then the
Akarantaha. 1 minute, I'll write it so it will be easy. Gaha Balaka.
oh, Balaka Shabda. Is it Shabdaha or Shabdaha?
Shabdaha is Ekavachanam. Shabdaha is Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Okay. Because our Acharya, when he had the words, he wrote Shabdah, but it was a list of words. That makes sense, right? Thank you. Yeah.
Shabdaha is singular. Shabdaha is plural.
Plural. Okay. Shall
Later,
I go ahead?
Later I think they'll tell you to memorize the shabdas like Ramaha, Ramahu, Ramaha. So the reason for that is, I think you will wonder, why should I memorize? I mean, you have to do some memory. I mean, memorization helps. The reason is because I think both the Mahodayas had mentioned the vibhakti, vibhakti means the prepositions like by Rama, to Rama, from Rama, through Rama. All this is built into the word. So in English, if I want to say, I went to Rama, you will say to. Whereas in Sanskrit, if I say, I am seeing Rama, balakam pashyami. So that vibhakti is built, the preposition is built into the word. That's why you have to memorize it so that quickly you can write. Okay, so the balakaha, right now the what words you're saying, balakaha are all pratama. Pratama means first person, just boy, boys, girl, girls. That is what these mean. Okay, later when you come to vibhakti, you will understand from boy to boy, all this you will understand later. I'm just telling you the logic why you need to learn those shabdas. Okay, so sorry. I go on and on.
No. You give us lot of information which is correct and which is very necessary also. Because at our age, right, we ask questions. Small children don't ask questions; they just learn it that way. We have so many questions in our head, right?
Yeah, that's why I always, when I learned, I used to wonder why do I have to memorize. But now I've realized after progressing why it is, it matters. So, okay.
I'm 54 years old. I don't know if I'll be able to memorize the words.
You can. No, you just do it once daily. Then you can.
Okay.
If you can't,
Okay.
also no problem. You can always, there are ways to
Look.
go around it. So it's okay.
Okay.
It helps if you do it. That's all. Nothing more. So.
Okay.
Adhyap.
So, okay.
Follow this.
Yeah, I'll read that. Akarantah pullingah adhyapaka shabdah bahuvachanam adhyapakaah kaha kaha.
Uttamam. Astu. Dhruva Mahoday.
जी. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शिक्षक शब्दः शिक्षकाः.
Uttamam. Okay.
Akarantah pullingah bidalah shabdah bidalaha.
Samyak. Astu.
Rajeshwari Mahoday wants to try. I don't know.
Her video is off. So.
Okay.
And all I have to read, ma'am. That is the problem for me.
Shall I read? Do you want to try? Sorry, Vriksha spelling is a problem. I have made a mistake.
Vriksha.
Rajeshwari Mahodaya, you want me to try?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Shall I read it for you?
Yeah, please.
Vrikshaha.
Oh, Vrikshaha.
Oh, Vrikshaha. 1 minute. This typing in this. Oh, it's not coming. Okay, I'll fill it in. Okay.
Okay.
Uttamam. Correct.
Okay,
Vrikshaha, Vrikshaha. Again, here also I've made a mistake. I'll correct it. Okay.
Okay. You can copy the Eshaha, Vrikshaha and then paste it there maybe.
No, I should be able to do. I don't know why. Sometimes, it becomes a good idea. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Grantaha.
Grantaha.
Grantaha. Okay. Next will be
Dhruva.
Dhruva. Okay.
Dhruvaha.
Let Dhruva Mahodaya try.
She is saying Bahuvachan of Dhruva.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize. Dhruva. Okay. Good. Okay.
So, अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः दीपशब्दः दीपाः.
Astu samyak.
Deepaha.
Sucheta Mahodaya. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Akarantah pullingah आरक्षक शब्दः बहुवचनम् आरक्षकाः.
सम्यक्. राजेश्वरी महोदय. नर्तकः. You should say akarantah pullingah nartaka shabdah. Then
okay, akarantah pullingah nartah shabdah.
Shabdah is singular.
Yeah, shabdah nartakaah. This
बहुवचनम्. अस्तु. ध्रुव महोदय.
जी. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गायक शब्दः गायकाः.
अस्तु.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भिक्षुक शब्दः भिक्षुकाः.
सम्यक्. राजेश्वरी महोदय. देवः.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः देवः शब्दः.
देवः न देवशब्दः.
देवशब्दः देवाः.
अस्तु. सम्यक्. ध्रुवजी.
Yeah. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः भक्तशब्दः भक्ताः.
उत्तमम्.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः विदूषक शब्दः बहुवचनं विदूषकाः.
उत्तमम्. राजेश्वरी जी, अर्चकः.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः अर्चकः
अर्चक शब्दः
अर्चक शब्दः अर्चकाः
अर्चकाः.
अर्चकाः
अर्चकाः. अर्चकाः. सम्यक्.
sorry
नहीं, correct. You are doing very well.
What is archakah? What is the meaning of archakah?
Priest.
Priest. Okay, thank you.
Sorry, I forgot to tell the meanings. Anything? Is it okay? Like balakah. Does anyone want to try quickly? 5 each meanings.
Yeah, I can try. Yes. Child. Chhatrah, student. Purushah, male. Adhyapakah, teacher.
not male,
No, principal. Is it a principal?
It's okay. Teacher, whatever.
Okay.
You know,
Shikshakah is also a teacher. I'm done. 5.
Okay. Rajeshwari, Mahodaya, you want to try? Meaning. Bidalah. Bidalah, do you know? Bidalah means cat. Okay, cat.
Okay.
Bidalah means cat. Vrikshaha means, do you know the meaning?
It is a tree.
Tree. Grantaha.
Grantha is Sanskrit. This thing. What to say?
Book. Any book. Grantaha means any book. Okay.
Book. Okay.
Grantaha means books. Okay. Deepaha.
A light.
Lamp. Okay. Sucheta Mahodaya. Arakshakaha.
Police or police.
Correct. Okay.
Nartakah is dancer. Gayakah is singer. Bhikshukah is person who asks for alms, right? Like a beggar, could you say? Or no?
Yeah, you can mendicant, beggar, anybody. Yeah.
Mendicant, yeah. Devaha is God. Am I done with 5? Yeah.
You can do, it's okay.
Okay. Bhaktaha is in English. I know what it means in English. It means someone who does prayer or who follows God.
Devotee or something.
Yes. Devotee. And Vidushakaha is joker. Archakaha, you just said priest. And Dwarapalaha, we aren't done with that. Akarantaha pullingaha Dwarapala shabdaha bahuvachanam Dwarapalaha. And Dwarapalaha is a guard.
Guard. Excellent. Bahu samyak. Astu. We'll do one more quickly this exercise. Okay. And then only 2 of you are there. Dhruva Mahodaya, I think, has left. So we'll do this and then we can close. Okay.
Okay.
Artaha yeshaha vanaraha. What will artaha kim? Etat vakyasya artham kim?
Should I say or does Rajeshwari?
Yeah, Sucheta, Rajeshwari. One after the other.
Okay. All right. I'll say Eshaha Vanaraha is this is a monkey.
No, this monkey. We have not
this
used
monkey. Yeah. This monkey. Yes.
We have not used is. This is a monkey means Eshaha Vanaraha Asti. Verb will come.
Yeah. This monkey.
We have not started using verb. So this monkey. Okay. So if you want to ask a question for this, what question will you ask? I'll show you an example. I'll just show you one.
Yeah.
Eshaha kaha.
Yes.
Okay. Eshaha kaha. Eshaha vanara.
Okay. And
Similar-
bahuvachan would be Eshah Vanaraha.
No, not Yeshah. Yeshah, okay, I think I need to write that then. You know
Okay.
the Bahuvachanam for
Eshah, this, these.
Ete.
Ete.
Ete. Yeshah,
Very good.
I'll write it here, okay? So it is easy. Ete.
Yes.
I'll write it.
Ete.
1 minute. So, Ete. Yeshah Ete, okay?
Hmm.
Saha means, Yeshah means this.
Correct.
Saha means that.
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 Te,
Far off.
te
Yeah.
means
Far. Distance.
distance. They, those.
Yes.
Okay, I'm
Correct.
keeping it here so it's easy. You can look at this and answer.
Yes.
So it will come like that. So the Bahuvachanam will be Ete Vanaraha. You have to change both.
Yes.
Eshaha ka Bahuvachanam is Ete. Vanaraha Bahuvachanam is Vanaraha. Okay?
Hmm.
This monkey, this will be these monkeys.
Hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Plural.
Rajeshwari Mahodaya, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Sure.
So, Sucheta Mahodaya, you tried this. Saha Shukaha, meaning?
That parrot or a bird.
Correct.
Parrot, I think. Parrot,
That
yeah.
parrot, okay.
That parrot. Prashna is Sahakaha.
Excellent.
Sahakaha. Sahakaha. Shukah.
Excellent.
And then Bahuvachanam would be Sa Shukah. No, not Sa.
Sana.
Sa. Te Shukaha. Te
Ah,
Shukaha.
excellent, excellent. See, it's a good brain exercise at our age, you know, you
Yeah.
have to do both as you go.
Yes.
Lot of brain gym. Okay, Rajeshwari Mahodaya, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am. You have to read it out.
Yeshaha Bakaha. Bakaha means crane. Crane naka, the Tanni Vat or something tall. I don't know what to tell in Tamil for that. Bakaha means, anyway, it's a water bird, okay? Crane.
Okay. Okay.
Yeshaha Bakaha means, what is the meaning in English? This or that. What will it be? Yeshaha means near or far?
Yeshaha is close.
Close. So this crane, okay?
Okay.
Crane
This-
meaning the bird crane,
Yeah,
Mahodaya?
bird. Yeah, bird.
Oh, bird.
And remember one thing, in Sanskrit, mostly birds and animals will be Pullingam. Remember this, okay? It will be easy when later when you form sentences, birds and animals, mostly Pullinga Shabdas.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Rajeshwari Mahodaya, what will be the question for this? Yeshaha Bakaha. What will you ask? You look at this example. This is the question you asked.
Yeshaha
Yeshaha Kaha. So if you ask Yeshaha Kaha, answer is Yeshaha Bakaha. Purinjida? Did you understand? What will be the Bahuvachanam? Tell me.
Ete. அது என்ன சொன்னீங்க?
Bakaha.
Ete bakaha.
Excellent. Bakaha. Ete Bakaha. Okay.
Okay.
Bakaha means cranes. These are cranes. Okay.
Okay.
Sucheta.
Eshah Simha. The meaning is this lion.
Okay.
And Prashnaha is Eshah Kaha. Eshah Simha.
Excellent.
And then the Bahuvachanam would be Ete Simhaha.
Excellent. Bahu uttamam. Astu. Rajeshwari Mahodaya. Saha Mrigaha.
Saha brigaha. Saha kaha.
That is the question. Very good. Saha.
Saha Mrigaha.
Meaning. First tell me Artha kim.
Arthaha malum nahi.
Nay. Saha means what? Saha na nearby ya far.
Yeah, that is distance.
Distance. So that, okay? That.
That.
Mriga means you can take it as one meaning is deer, man. Deer. You can say deer or you can say that mriga also means animal, okay? In general, both are used. So
Okay.
it will be that deer or that animal, okay? That deer.
Okay.
So what will be the bahuvachanam?
Yete.
Saha bahuvachanam. What is the bahuvachanam for saha?
Te.
Te.
Mrigaha.
Excellent. Bahu uttamam. If you
Okay,
practice the script, Mahodaya, you can do very well. You just practice.
yeah, she knows everything. Yeah. So okay, so this is this tree. Eshaha Vrukshah.
This tree. Very good.
Yes.
Mahodaya, Rajeshwari
Uh,
Mahodaya, you have a question?
And no, ma'am, what you said?
Did you have a question? I thought you. I heard.
You people are motivating me. That's why I can able to do something.
Okay. Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Sucheta
So
Mahodaya. Prashnaha.
सः एषः कः एषः वृक्षः बहुवचनम् एते वृक्षाः
Samyak. Rajeshwari Mahodaya. Saha Kachchapaha. Kachchapaha means tortoise.
Okay. Saha Kachapaha.
English la meaning? English. Angla Bhashayam Artham Kim. Saha means?
This,
Saha means? That tortoise. Uttamam.
Okay.
Prashnaha.
For that, te.
No. Prashnaha. Question.
Question.
You ask.
Question. Kete.
No, Saha Kaha. You will ask Saha Kaha.
I think Mahodaya, she is not looking at the screen. Rajeshwari Mahodaya, Bhagini, are you looking at the screen of Mahodaya?
Actually, it is nearby also something is there. It's not visible for me. 1 second, I will.
Not visible. Oh, you have to tell me.
1 second,
Yeah.
I'll rotate it.
Can you see now?
1 second, ma'am.
Can you see? Screen தெரியறதா?
இல்ல rotate பண்ணிக்கிறேன் ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. ஸ்கிரீன் ரொட்டேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் இப்பதான் அந்த பக்கத்துல எழுதி இருக்கிறது இப்பதான் தெரியுது. Okay.
Saha Kaha is the question, okay? Then you will get the answer. Saha Kachchapaha.
Saha Kachchapaha.
Now tell me bahuvachanam.
For that, kete is right, na?
Saha bahuvachanam is this one.
Yeah. Te.
Then Kachchapaha bahuvachanam.
Te Kachchapaha.
Samyak. Bahu samyak. Te Kachchapaha. You see the spellings also, okay? Kachchapaha. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. I'm seeing it.
Sucheta Mahodaya.
एषः सर्पः this snake.
Astu.
This snake. एषः कः एषः सर्पः एते सर्पाः बहुवचनम्.
एते सर्पाः उत्तमम्. एषः कः. Very good.
Try reading this, Rajeshwari Bhagini. Try reading this. You can read it.
Saha.
shakaram. Shakaratla half.
Ashvaha.
Saha.
Good.
Ashvaha. Saha Ashvaha. Saha Kaha.
Very good question. Artham kim? Artham?
Saha te Ashvaha.
Bahuvachanam. Arthaha kim? Saha ashwaha.
Ashva is the horse.
So saha ashwaha means?
This horse.
That
Sorry.
horse.
That horse.
Astu.
Sorry, that horse.
Very good. Very good. 1 minute. Astu. I think we have overshot the time.
Yes. I joined late, so I don't mind, but yeah,
Okay.
you've been here
So,
for more than an hour.
Sucheta Mahodaya, we'll close here. I wanted to
Yes.
say that the link for this, I have put it into this Google Sheet. I have put it
Huh.
into the class notes is there. There,
Yes.
I think Balaji Mahodaya and Deepak Mahodaya, they have given session 3. Then they have given the link for the YouTube. Okay. So just
Huh.
below that, I have added the link for the this Google Sheet. Just
Okay.
now, Yuaji told me that I have to give the access. I'll just change the permissions and I will add the access. Okay.
Okay.
Click that link. You should be able to access the sheet. I'll keep updating this.
Okay. Dhanyawad. Yeah, this will be really helpful because having a sheet in front of you does a lot of, is very helpful. Because every time when the video is on, you have to go forwards, backwards, all like if you want to know one particular topic, right? Then for video, it is hard, but sheet will make it easier. Yeah,
Yes,
thank
yes.
you. Dhanyawad.
I'll give the access and then so that you all can access it. Okay.
Yes.
And I think one or other thing which I said was okay, Varnamala, you can see, I had very briefly touched about the logic. Swara means what, Vyanjana means what. You can look it up, recording, the logic, why it is arranged in a particular way.
Okay.
I think was last week I had mentioned a word called ghasam. It was a pullinga word. I told it as an apumsaka linga. So just, I've made the correction somewhere in one of the there.
Ghasam means what? Grass, you said, right?
Ghasaha. It is
Ghasah. Okay. I thought trunam is the word for
Yeah.
grass.
You have multiple names. As I said, water, fire has some 38 names for fire synonyms.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Multiple names in Sanskrit. So, as I said, depending on the quality, like born of, Pankaja means it is born from Panka means, the dirt, that slush.
Oh,
Pankaja is, lotus. Then Jalaja, born of water, Jalaja, Jalat Jayate. Pankaja, Pankaj Jayate. So each one will describe the quality. So you will have multiple names.
yeah. So my name after marriage was changed. Like it was officially, it was not changed, but in the house they call me Rutuja. Now my mom is PhD in Sanskrit, and she said Rutu is menstrual period, kind of, right? I don't know. That's what she said. But then she said, let us just keep it as, because they already changed my name. So she said, we'll take it as Ruturaj, that is spring. So born in spring, kind of, she changed the meaning.
Okay. Who would like to tell the Pratana Shloka, not Pratana, Samapana Shloka? Would any of you like to say, or shall I tell?
Rajeshwari,
You cannot hear, right? Actually, my internet is bad today. Would any of you like to tell the shlokas, or shall I tell?
You please tell
you
me.
you can tell, yes.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayaah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.